it's Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thanks for joining me again today. Today I have got a Top Tip Tuesday because it's Tuesday and I like to share top tips. My top tip for today is how to tie really easy bows. This is not something new, you've seen me do it before, but I sometimes think it's worth having a video just about tying a bow or doing anything else that is straightforward. So I had an Aunt Betty, I still have an Aunt Betty, and as a child she found tying bows really difficult, so she invented or had shown to her what is now known in our family as an Auntie Betty bow. And it's as simple as you take your piece of ribbon, this is the end of a reel, you form two loops and you just look at these two loops and all you do is cross them over, tuck one of them through the hole underneath and pull tight. And it is as simple as that. And then you've got the chance to adjust your bow before you finally pull it tight. And you can literally just keep going until you're happy, and there is your bow. And then you can stick that on your project with a glue dot and you're done. Simple, simple. But this is a nice thick cotton ribbon, so let's try it with the Tea Time copper edged. So again, we take our two loops, you pass one in front of the other, tuck that one underneath through the loop that you've now formed, pull tight, and you've got your lovely bow. And again, you can just pull it until you're happy that it's exactly how you want it, so you can make really tiny little bows. I mean minuscule little bows to put on your projects. Simple, really cute, really easy. And if we take a reversible bow, so those two ribbons were from the annual catalogue. This is the red cotton. What do we call it? We call it the Real Red cotton ribbon. There's easy. As I say, this is from the Tea Time Treats set, and it comes with, this is very vanilla and copper, and there's also Coastal Cabana and copper, and it comes in a duo. This is the reversible ribbon, which is in Granny Apple Green and Coastal Cabana and is from the Spring Summer catalogue. So if I want everything to be Coastal Cabana, I do the same. So I do my two loops, I tuck underneath, I pull tight, and then I will get Granny Apple Green for my knot, but if I twist the back ribbon, I can then have Coastal Cabana facing up on all of the bits. So I've got Coastal Cabana loops, I've got Coastal Cabana tails, and the only bit that is Granny Apple Green is the knot, which gives that nice contrast. I'm just fiddling with that a bit. And once you're comfortable that you've got it, you can trim your ends and you've got your perfect little Coastal Cabana ribbon or bow. And obviously you could do it the other way around just by turning your ribbon over, starting with the Coastal Cabana side out, sorry, the Granny Apple Green side out, pass one loop over the other loop, tuck underneath, and again twist your back loop, or your back tail it should be really, twist your back tail and you get your Granny Apple Green bow. Just like that. So as I say, this is what I call my Auntie Betty bow. It's nothing new, but there we have all our lovely bows, different sizes, different colours, perfect. I hope you found that helpful. I will have pictures of these, obviously I'll trim the ends. I'll have pictures of these on my blog, The post for that is linked below. I'm going to fiddle with that I'll stop fiddling. The link is immediately below in the description bar. If you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe, please subscribe using the button in the bottom right hand corner. Don't worry about getting email notification unless you ask for that as well. You will not get email notification, so no cluttering up of email boxes. If you would like a copy of my regular newsletter, you can do that over on my website, and you'll find that from the associated blog post. When you order, if you use the host code, you will also get a share in the host rewards, and if your order is over £30, you will get sunflower rewards. If your order is over £45 during celebration, so until the end of March, you will also get to choose items from the celebration brochure, and there are some really, really cute things in this. So do think about that. For every £45 you spend in any one order, you get to choose a free level 1 item, and if you spend £90, you can select either 2 level 1 or one of the level 2 items, which is the Tea Time framelets or the Lasting Lily stamp set. So, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.